we doing tonight?
Yeah.
How we doing tonight?
Yeah.
Bless. One love. My name is Chilo. Like so soon said, I'm part of the Gizzi all Latino poetry group. I also do hip hop. The album he's talking about, I have it here tonight. If you like anything, you hear I'm doing at least 1 or 2 tracks off that album. I'm doing some other songs. I'm gonna do my songs, do my set. Hopefully you like it. Little crowd participation. It's funny. Hold on, right quick. I didn't plan this at all. I've known him and Timothy for a minute on the scene. I didn't plan it at all. My first song is called Shotgun. Actually. And if y'all want to join along, I can do that. 2 bars. The hook says Shotgun. It's sampled off J.R. Walker and the All-Stars. It was a #1 hit in 1961. We're going to do this right here. What's your name? Mo Nichols. Mo Nichols. Don't look, run, hold up, Chilo got a... Let's go there, 5 promoted. I am packed like a loaded. It's that funk for the moment, blast out like
Shotgun.
You gotta own it. Oh Lord, check who got themselves a you gotta hold it. This going kick back, stick catch, this like a niggas kill rap this boy, y'all. I cover ground like a
Shotgun.
What's that sound? Hear me rock, clear the block like a
Shotgun.
hip hop gather round, give me room. Hit the boom with a
Shotgun.
they rounds and poppy trunk. I pop a trunk for my
Shotgun.
by my side with my temple side. They be running out the house yelling.
Shotgun.
Oh mama, sexy swag, metaphorically I am.
Shotgun.
Daddy, I'm bad. And when they laugh, put the trigger, I spread like a
Shotgun.
you see your head. OBA, race songs I praise with a
Shotgun.
my name. Down south, watch her. Reach around and see, pull out.
Shotgun.
You got one, yes, young man. Cops carry sword off.
Shotgun.
Reckless man, don't come for my bread. Only because it might be a
Shotgun.
under my bed. Squeeze and click, little mama, come check out my
Shotgun.
between them lips. She don't trip, I can see you in the whip out of
Shotgun.
Names are hot when it's like that screen. Some of them might fiend for the
Shotgun.
nice and clean. It's that realness when I let off with my
Shotgun.
make you feel it, act like you knew it. Load them shells in the chamber. Danger, watch how I shoot it. Catch some buckshot, first time I shot was a
Shotgun.
green and whatnot. Came with a hot burst. They said a boy is a
Shotgun.
feel like a mouth bird when it's right now. Winchester Remington.
Shotgun.
Everybody get down.
Woo!
Joint right here.
Yeah, yeah.